Namaskar and welcome back to Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I am thrilled to introduce you to some amazing cleaning gadgets that will help keep your home looking beautiful and sparkling clean. With Diwali just around the corner and everyone busy with deep cleaning, these gadgets are true lifesavers for tackling those tricky spots. This video is made in collaboration with Agaro. Let's get started. During the festive season, deep cleaning the house is considered an important ritual. Everyone scrubs their kitchen, bathrooms and floors, which takes a lot of effort and time. To make this task easier, we have the Agaro Royal Electric Spin Scrubber. This is the main unit, which is compact and very lightweight. This is the power button to switch on and off the machine. If you press the same power button again, it will switch between two speeds levels, 300 and 400 RPM. You will also find the battery indicator and a charging port here. It comes with several brushes and attachments for different cleaning needs. There are 3 bristle brushes, a large flat bristle brush, a small flat bristle brush and a pointed bristle brush. For the areas where the flat brushes can't reach, you can use the pointed brush. All 3 brushes can be directly attached to the machine. This is the Velcro head. Some attachments need to be placed on the Velcro head. Just attach the head to the attachment like this. Once the Velcro head is attached, fix it to the main unit. Here is the cloth brush attachment, which can be used like a mop to wipe down any surface. This is the fiber brush, ideal for cleaning kitchen countertops, hobs or cooktops. Next we have the sponge brush, which is perfect for cleaning mirrors and glass surfaces, and it can even be used to clean your car exterior. Then there is the woolen cloth brush, which is great for polishing any surface. It also comes with an adjustable extension tube, allowing you to reach hard to access areas with ease. To store the machine, there is a stick-on hanger included, which you can mount on the wall. And this is the USB charger. The machine has a 2500 mAh battery, which takes around 3 to 4 hours to charge and can work for up to 90 minutes on a full charge. Often floors get stubborn stains that are difficult to remove with regular mopping. You can use this large brush to tackle those tough stains on the floor. As you can see, it effortlessly removes the stains without much effort. The bathroom floor and tiles also get quite dirty from daily use. With the help of this large flat brush, we can easily clean both the bathroom floor and wall tiles. To scrub the floor while standing, you can attach the extension rod, which is a great addition as it eliminates the need to bend down. The brush takes care of all the scrubbing, so you don't have to manually scrub. The small brush is very helpful for cleaning grouts. You don't need to apply any pressure while scrubbing. Just gently move the brush and it will do all the scrubbing for you. The small brush and pointed brush are helpful for cleaning sinks and wash basins, leaving them spotless. The pointed brush is very useful for cleaning the drainage area and sides of the sink and wash basins, as well as the corners of the countertops. The countertop and backsplash in the kitchen often get stained from frequent food spills, and fiber scrubber is great for removing those tough stains. For regular cleaning of countertop, the cloth mop attachment is extremely handy. You can also use this attachment to clean kitchen cabinet doors with ease. Since it is a cloth attachment, it works like a cloth wipe and there is no risk of scratches. It easily removes oil stains from cabinets. The sponge brush attachment is great for cleaning the hob and cooktop, making your deep cleaning quick and easy. Since it is made of soft sponge material, there is no risk of scratches and it cleans the surface effectively. The same brush can be used to clean the car exterior and windshield, making your car cleaning routine easier and quick. The woolen brush attachment is ideal for polishing wooden furniture or any wooden items. With this attachment, you can easily polish your wooden tables without any efforts. After cleaning, make sure to wash and dry all the attachments properly. You can soak them in a dish liquid and water solution for a while, then rinse with clean water and leave them to dry. Never immerse the main unit in water, just wipe it down with a damp cloth. Personally, I really like the Royal Spin Scrubber. It is a very useful tool for deep cleaning, especially for bathrooms and kitchens where it performs exceptionally well. Now let's move on to the next exciting product, the Agaro Royal Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. It is a compact but very useful device. This is the main unit of the Agaro Royal Mini Handheld Vacuum Cleaner and the build quality is top notch. The lower body of the vacuum cleaner gives a premium feel. It comes with a 2-in-1 multi-purpose brush with flat nozzle, a long nozzle for the blower function, a small brush, and a USB Type-C charging cable. The best feature of this vacuum cleaner is that it functions as a vacuum cleaner and a blower, making it a versatile device. It has two suction modes. Long press the power button to activate the eco mode. Press it again to switch it to max mode and long press again to turn it off. Thanks to its BLDC motor, the vacuum cleaner is incredibly quiet, producing less than 75 decibels of noise. With the 100-watt motor, the vacuum cleaner provides powerful suction of 13 kPa and 8 kPa, which can be adjusted based on your needs. The LED display shows the remaining battery life, which is a helpful feature. At the top, there is a bagless dust collection bin that can be easily detached and reattached. The bin has a button that opens it for easy cleaning. Behind the bin, there is a HEPA filter and a steel mesh filter that traps small dirt particles. These filters should be cleaned periodically for better suction and effective cleaning. This vacuum cleaner is perfect for cleaning small tricky areas and corners around the house, such as the pantry and kitchen drawers, to pick up dust and food particles. This is also very helpful for cleaning sides of the bed, door railings, fridge sides, lights, curtains, and upholstery. It is a very handy tool for household dusting and also an excellent tool for cleaning your car. Whether it's food crumbs or dirt in the car, this vacuum helps clean quickly and efficiently. Charging is also simple. You can easily charge it using your car's USB charging point, making it extremely portable. The vacuum cleaner is small and compact, fitting easily into your car's door pocket. For using the blower, attach the nozzle to the bottom of the vacuum. The blower feature in this vacuum cleaner is great for removing dust and fallen leaves from your car, making cleaning effortless. It is also handy for blowing dust out from behind the TV and window grills. Another great use is inflating balloons, perfect for birthday parties where manually inflating balloons can be time-consuming and tiring. The vacuum cleaner has 2600 mAh battery, which takes about 3 hours to fully charge and lasts up to 20 minutes. For cleaning, simply open the dust collection bin and empty it. Use any soft brush to clean the filter before reattaching it. I find this vacuum cleaner incredibly useful. During Diwali and festival cleaning, when we often need to clean ignored corners, curtains and upholstery, this tool is perfect. Its BLDC motor makes it more powerful and increases its longevity. Now, if you're looking for a versatile vacuum cleaner, the Agaro Cordless Supreme Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a great option. It is one of the most efficient and powerful cleaners available, making it a top choice for quick, versatile cleaning. I have personally used it for past 2 years and can confidently say it's the perfect vacuum cleaner for daily use, offering great versatility on a budget. What sets it apart from other vacuum cleaner is its ease of use. Simply grab it and start cleaning, thanks to its cordless design. It is lightweight and user-friendly and can be used as both a handheld or stick vacuum depending on your needs. The vacuum comes with a variety of attachments that make cleaning even more efficient. The motorized brush is ideal for floors and carpets, while the mattress brush handles mattresses, upholstery and curtains. The crevice nozzle is perfect for tight spaces. And the 2-in-1 multi-purpose brush helps clean edges, remove hair strands, and dust lights and fittings. The vacuum also includes a charger and wall bracket for easy charging and storage, as well as an extra filter. Switching between attachments is hassle-free with a simple one-click system. The Agaro Supreme Cordless Vacuum Cleaner delivers impressive performance with a powerful motor that provides 25 kp of suction, easily picking up dirt from carpets, hardwood and tiles. Its high suction power handles even the toughest dirt, leaving your home spotless. You can adjust the suction power between low, medium and high settings depending on the cleaning task. The motorized brush features LED lights, helping you see dust in dark areas like corners and under furniture. Once fully charged, the vacuum runs for up to 60 minutes, allowing for a complete cleaning session without interruption. One of my favorite features is its flexibility. In handheld mode, it is perfect for cleaning small areas or hard-to-reach spots, such as under beds or along sliding door railings where dust often accumulates. The stick mode is great for larger areas like floors. The wall-mounted charging station ensures the vacuum is always ready for use and easy to access for daily cleanups. Overall, I highly recommend the Agaro Supreme Cordless Vacuum Cleaner to anyone in need of a versatile, powerful and affordable cleaning tool. It is one of the best cordless vacuum cleaners available, especially for its price. I've been thoroughly impressed with its performance and it's an excellent addition to any household. Whether you are cleaning floors, upholstery or tight spaces, this vacuum has you covered. Now let's take a look at the last cleaning product, which is the Agaro Delight Electric Window Cleaner. This window cleaner can help you keep your French windows and large balcony doors clean and spotless. Here is the main unit designed in the shape of a bottle. It has a detachable water tank where all the collected water accumulates. There is a handle at the back, making it very easy to hold and use, and the power button is conveniently placed on the handle. Next, we have the vacuum attachment, which fits onto the main unit. The package also includes a separate spray bottle, and you can attach the wiping attachment to it. Additionally, it comes with two microfiber cloths and a charger. The charging port is located on the back of the main unit. This comes with 2200 mAh battery and runs for 25 minutes after full charge. Now let's assemble it. First, attach the wiping attachment to the microfiber cloth by inserting the attachment into the back of the cloth and securing it. Fill the spray bottle with clean water, and for extra cleaning power, you can add a little dish liquid and vinegar if the window glass is particularly dirty. Next, attach the wiping attachment to the mounting ring on the spray bottle. Also attach the vacuum attachment to the main unit. Now your window cleaner is ready. Let's see how to use it. To clean the glass door, first generously spray water or cleaning solution using the spray bottle. After that, wipe the window using the microfiber cloth. If the window is very dirty, you can repeat this process 2 to 3 times. If the microfiber cloth becomes dirty, you can rinse it or replace it with a clean microfiber cloth. After wiping the window, turn on the unit by pressing the power button and the red light will appear. Move the squeegee from top to bottom, keeping the device parallel to the surface to remove excess water. This device works only on smooth plain glass surfaces and is not suitable for rough glass. Avoid guiding the squeegee sideways across the surface and always move from top to bottom to prevent water from running down the sides. Usually when we clean windows, water drips onto the floor, which then requires additional cleaning. This glass vacuum cleaner sucks up all the water, preventing the floor from getting dirty. You can see how much water has been collected in the tank. After discarding the dirty water, rinse the water tank with clean water and air dry it. Always store it empty. Also soak the wiping cloth in soapy water for a while, then clean and dry it thoroughly. The Agaro Delight Window Cleaner is extremely helpful device for keeping large windows sparkling clean. And that's all about today's video. I hope you found this demo and review of these smart cleaning gadgets from Agaro helpful. They can be a great asset not just during your Diwali deep cleaning but also for day-to-day cleaning. For more details about these products, current pricing and purchase links, please check the description box. Thank you for watching and happy cleaning from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.